What does a 1989 Pontiac Firebird, a yard shed, and a summer full of tools have in common? That's right, a brand new build series coming to the channel. And yes, we're still making sawdust too. Hey guys, I've got something planned that's a little different but very exciting coming up this summer. In about mid-June, myself, my son, and Nick are going to be flying up to Ohio to stop at his parents' house, pick up some tools. On the way back, we're going to pick up a Firebird at my father's house in Virginia. And along with this road trip, we're going to make an extra special stop, which will be a little surprise for you, till coming back here to Florida. And then that'll begin the summer project of rebuilding and restoring. Well, not really restoring, more of customizing. Along with building out the car, we're also going to have to build out a workspace. My garage right now has a ton of woodworking tools in it, and unfortunately I can't shoehorn the car in there for the build process. So we're gonna have to have a yard workspace. Now I do have my yard shed, and I'm gonna put in some pillars, some 4x4 posts alongside that yard shed, and we're gonna put some sails, shade sails for shade, and we'll have some outdoor storage as well for some of the tools and accessories that come off the car. And I plan to do a deep clean of my yard shed so we can have some decent work tables and tools out there while we work. And of course, can't work without tunes, so we'll have that hooked up as well. This will be a big project. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hoping to use some of my woodworking experience along with 3D printing for some of this customization. The car itself is in rough shape. It's been sitting in Virginia for about 15 years. It's been sitting on a concrete slab, so at least there's that. And it was covered for a bit until the car cover tore off of it. The car was running when I parked it. I'm not sure how well it's gonna be now. I also had gutted the entire interior because I was going to restore it then, but I just never got to it. So I've really been hoping that I can come along and finish it up. So we're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. This will be a really great experience. For the trip, I've also added some new kit to my camera, so we'll be able to do some mobile shots, which will be great. Yeah, I look forward to sharing this journey with you. Now, if you're here on the channel because you like the laser tutorials and the woodworking and the DIY things, this is just an additional playlist. The core values of the channel is Woodworks, WilmerWoodworks. So we will continue to make the woodworking. I just thought this would be a nice journey for everybody to come along with. I did do the flag build just a little while ago. I've got some commissioned orders for those. And I also have some other ideas and projects in the pipeline. So if you're into rebuilds or outdoor spaces, or you just want to tune in to watch me try not to set my Firebird on fire, be sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and those videos will be coming out shortly. And I'm also curious, have you had to set up an outdoor workspace? What's your experience? What are your suggestions before I even start building it? And if you've rebuilt a Pontiac Trans Am from the FBody series, which is the 80s, early 90s, I think it goes to 91 maybe, let me know. I'm hoping I can source a lot of materials from either salvage yards or year one. A lot of the stuff though will be customized, so I'm hoping that I can actually try my hand in a lot of that. So yeah, leave some comments, suggestions, and let me know what projects you've worked on like this. Until next time, do not fear, I will have more woodworking videos out shortly. We are just now gearing up for this trip. We're very excited for it. So I'm sure we'll probably try to do some live streams while we're actually traveling, and I will have my camera to show you guys the journey home that this Pontiac will be making. Till next time, my name is Steve, and I do appreciate you guys tuning in and listening to the update. Till next time, take care.